Send us your most creative Easter crafts. The winner will get 2 tickets to Disneyland.
Whoa, a trip to Disneyland? We have to win this! Sue, let's get down to work.
Work? What's going on, Sammy? I was going to have some rest.
No time! 2 Disneyland tickets are at stake!
Say no more. What do we need to do?
We gotta make as many Easter crafts. Oh no!
Watch out, Sammy! Oops, that didn't turn out right, I think.
It wasn't the plan, Sue! I'm just really excited!
Let's do our best, Sammy. Time to get down to work. Ta-da! Perfect. The base is ready.
Sue, look what I made! Are we gonna use it?
Great! Just what we need.
I knew I was right. A few more lines here and there. Sue, another one's ready!
Awesome! Here it goes.
Sue, look at my new hair! Stunning, right?
It's not hair.
It's not?
You'll find out a little bit later. Right now, we have something else to do. We'll add a little wing right here. And a beak. Here comes the eye.
Aha! It's a rooster! Why didn't you just say so? Be right back.
While Sammy is away, I'll add some finishing touches. Now we need to fold it in 2. Here we go. Now we just need to glue the legs.
Phew! It wasn't easy, but I did it! Check it out! A whole collection of colorful roosters! So, what do you say, Sue?
Whoa, you did amazing! For our next craft, we'll need some eggs.
Sue, I know a great craft. It's called fried eggs.
No! These eggs aren't for eating. I have a better idea. This pretty yellow color is actually a hint. Have you already guessed what it is, guys? That's not hard. It's cute, fluffy, and adorable.
Are you talking about me, Sue? Or about the chick?
Sammy got it right. We're making a little chick. It's covered with yellow fluff.
Sue, since you're done here, maybe you'll make me some fried eggs? Give it back!
We're not finished, Sammy. This craft is more fun than you think. I'm using pink. What animal am I making? Right, it's a pig.
Okay, I think I got it, Sue. I'm gonna help you.
Can't wait to see what you made.
Check it out.
Wow, Sammy, they are so lovely.
I did my best. I'm a little chick. Beep, beep. Sue, look what I drew.
Great job, Sammy. Let's upgrade our birdie a bit. We'll paint the comb red, and the cheeks too. The beak will be orange, just like the feet. Time to carefully cut out our craft. Now, let's open it right here, one by one.
Boo! What is this Sam-shaped hole for, Sue?
I'll show you. Ta-da! It's the shell where our little chick is hiding. Isn't it cute? Our next craft is a bunny.
Could it be an Easter bunny? It must be the Easter bunny that brings us presents!
Right! It's the one and only Easter bunny! And these are its tiny, soft paws! I'll put a flower on its ear, and a few more to make it all even prettier. And the finishing touch? A handle! Our Easter basket is ready!
What a nice place for a long, sweet walk.
Sammy! Can you help me with the next craft?
Sure!
I want to make this craft colorful and bright.
Sue, is this picture colorful enough to take first place?
It's not only colorful, but also super creative. Voila! Once again, fantastic!
That's so cool! Oh, I know! I want to make one myself, Sue!
Good luck, Sammy. Be careful. Another craft idea, but we only have one egg. Actually, I think one egg will be enough. This time, I won't paint it all, just the middle. We'll need just one section. I want to use this pretty color for the edges. A bit of yellow. Look! A stylish chicken with her baby is ready!
I want my Easter card to be as great as Sue's, so I gotta think like Sue. First, I will drink some coffee. Ew. Next, my tool. And now I get down to work, like Sue. Why isn't it working? I'm gonna do it the way Sam would. We'll need a big bowl, colorful markers, and some paper. This method works much better.
I'm finished, and Sam is still away.
Hello, hello! I came to visit Sue. Is she here?
What a cute chick! Oh, wow! That's incredible! Sammy, did you do it yourself?
Yep, just a bit of magic and a lot of creativity.
Let's get down to the next craft. I know a fun way to make this grass all curly. This part is done, but it's not the final result. We'll add a handle. And now it's time to decorate. First, I'll fold this piece of paper. And we get a flower. Let's add the middle. The prettiest flower basket ever!
Thanks for the idea, Sue! It's the fluffiest and funniest wig I have! Oh, really? Okay, no worries. Sue, the animals don't like this box. Let's make a more festive one. Any ideas?
Oh, I know. How about using an egg carton?
Let's use these paints to make it brighter.
Great idea! Easter is all about bright colors. Yellow is perfect, just like the warm sun.
I found something amazing! This way, I'll see everyone, but no one will see me. Plus, I can get close to... Ah! Sue! Yes, I was taking it to you! I knew we would need it, yes! Absolutely. Sue, it was for our craft, yes.
Thanks! I love this color combination, yellow and green.
I knew you'd love it.
I'll add some more grass. And some flowers, of course.
The animals like this box way more. You know, Sue, I think we're going to win.
And I think the more crafts, the better. Plus, making these crafts is so much fun!
Hi, dear Miss Presenter. Sue and I have made tons of Easter crafts. Check them out. Hey, point the camera at me.
It's too heavy.
Right now, Sue is finishing another craft. Sue, show us what you're doing. Psst, show Sue.
I've cut out the pictures. Time to glue them together in the right way. We got a fun and creative Easter egg! Do you like it, guys?
Stay tuned, friends! More amazing crafts are coming!
Painting eggs is so satisfying. I picked this pretty green color. Here we go! We need to glue a tail to one side. And this is the head!
Whoa, it's a real dino! Sue, what else can we make with eggs? I want to make friends with this green dye! It's so cool! Let's make another animal!
I'm on it, but it will be a different color. Do you think this one is just as cute, guys?
Holy cannoli, it is cute! These crafts are so simple and awesome!
Now these dinos won't be lonely.
They're so sweet, I can't! Sue, how about a sweet craft filled with candy?
I know what we can use to make it work. A bottle!
What do you have in mind?
We'll make an Easter-themed piggy bank for sweets. Lovely!
I came to help, Sue. Here, you'll need these ears.
Thanks, Sammy.
And I made something for myself, too.
I'm taking it.
Huh? Sue!
It's time to fill it with sweets.
How many sweets are we talking about? I have one.
It'll do. Candy number 1. I have another one. And a few more.
Oh, my feta. That's the piggy bank of my dreams. Oh, time to make the promo video. Hi, dear viewers. Take a look at our Easter crafts. Shh, the dinos are taking a nap. Follow me. If you think these crafts are amazing, give us a like. Come on, tell us the results. I can't wait.
Ready? Great! And we have the winner.
Spill it. I want to know.
It's Sam and Sue. Our congratulations!
Ah! Did you hear that? Sue! Sue! This goes here. I put this one here and...
Hey, Sammy! What's up?
Ah! You scared me, Roger.
Oh, I'm sorry, but what are you doing here?
I'm getting ready for our cooking show. Did you forget?
Uh-oh. No, I remember. Sure! Cooking show. Let's go.
Okay, so what are we cooking today, Raj?
I'll be making ice cream using chocolate eggs. Look at these. They'd make great ice cream.
Wow, you know I'm obsessed with chocolate eggs. Can I have a small bite? Pretty, please.
Okay, Sammy. Here you go. Now we need to break our eggs into small pieces, just like that.
I need more.
Let's save it for the cake.
Only for a cake, though.
Now we need to melt our chocolate.
Call me when you're done. This is for robbing me of chocolate.
And just like that, it's melted. Let's mix it up. What sort of mold are we gonna use, Sammy?
My favorite chocolate bears, of course.
Okay, chocolate bears then. Now we'll just fill them up. Here we go. Gently, slowly, without leaving any gaps.
It looks so delicious. I can barely control myself.
Haha! I hear you, Sammy! But let's still focus on cooking and not eat all the chocolate. Just like that, done! But it's like something's missing.
Got it. I have 3 sprinkle options here, but I can't decide which works best. Help me out, please.
Why choose one when we can use them all?
Raj, you're a genius!
Well, thank you, Sammy. Now let's get to the sprinkles. There you go. A little more sprinkle, stars. Now let's get different sprinkles. They're very cute. Sprinkle it all over this chocolate bear, like this. And that bear as well.
Hey, I've got more sprinkles here. Check this out.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. Well, let's see what we got here. That's just what we need. Look at the colors. I am looking forward to trying the ice cream. And here's our final type of sprinkles. Looks like fun. Sprinkle it here and spread it carefully so there are no blank spots. There we go. Phew, I think we're finally done.
Huh? But it's not ice cream, Raj. It isn't even cold.
I mean, we're done with the sprinkles. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer. Okay, into the freezer you go. See you in a few. Here comes the ice cream.
Hurry up, Roger. I can't wait. I need to taste it.
Be patient. We're almost done. Now let's take our bears out very carefully so they don't break. There we go. It looks very nice and tasty. And now the star bear, my favorite. Slow and steady. And there's our star bear. It's starting to melt. We need to start eating bears as soon as possible. Quick, let's get the rest of the bears. Wow, those sprinkles look great.
I can't stand it any longer.
Okay, to the next one.
Can I try this, Roach, please?
All right, Sammy, here you go. Wait, at least save a little bit for me, too.
I'm full. No, I need more ice cream, Raj.
Okay, dokie, Sammy. What do you say to that?
Holy waffles! These eggs are bigger than me. Yum, yum.
Wait, that's for the recipe. Ouch! Stop biting me.
Those are my eggs now. Sorry, this episode's over.
No, Sammy.
Stay back! Don't worry, my precious ones. I'll protect you.
Are you sure?
Huh?
Come here, little slime. Now, while Sam is busy, we can stop making our ice cream.
Yay!
That big egg will make a lot of ice cream. Let's crack open it, just like that. Wow! Now we have to crumble it into small pieces. Follow my lead. Nice. Now let's repeat with the other eggs. We're done. Oh, hi, Sammy.
Hi, Raj. Huh? What? How dare you? Hey, come here. Hey!
Sammy, calm down. It's okay. It's for your ice cream.
Fine.
I'll let you go. Keep it together. Ah! Not cool! Okay, it's time to melt some chocolate.
Come on. Ugh.
All right, our chocolate is melted and ready to pour.
Grr, you broke my eggs, boy.
Sammy, stop it. I know it's you.
Sorry, Roach. I think my rage is gone now.
Thanks to Sam, we have a mold. Now let's pour the chocolate in it. That's it. Just don't spill chocolate on the table. We can't afford to lose even a drop. And now, let's spread the chocolate all over the mold with a spoon. Let's not forget the sides of our mold. It's important. Spread carefully and slowly. Now, let's add the most important ingredient. Guess what this is? It's an ice cream! Let's scoop some ice cream with this special spoon. Yum. And now let's put the ice cream into the melted chocolate. I can't stop just on one scoop for sure. Here we go!
When will it be ready? I'm so hungry.
Soon, Sammy. Just hold on for a bit. We must spread the ice cream evenly in the mold, like this. And on the bear's ears, too. Now it's time for some nuts. Hiya! Prepare yourselves, you nuts. That's it, nuts. More like nut sprinkles.
Ouch! Chill out, Raj. Hey, my hat. Ouch!
Last one? Yeah, finally. Now for the ice cream. Sprinkle our nut sprinkles over the mold. Don't worry, it won't be too much. And top it off with the rest of the melted chocolate. Yummy.
Okay, call me when the ice cream's ready, Raj.
It's now. The giant ice cream bear is done.
Finally! I just found the perfect stick for our ice cream.
Thank you, Sammy. We use this cutting board to get our bear from the mold. So let's get started. Very carefully. We should try not to break the chocolate or melt the ice cream inside. Whoa, cool!
This is mind-blowing.
Now, let's put the popsicle stick in. I hope it works. And it's done! Awesome! Look at our ice cream bear!
I'm so hungry. Give it to me now.
No, wait, what about me? Sam, that's not fair. I want ice cream too.
I saved some for you, so don't worry, Roach.
Is that what you call saved? Oh well. Anyway. Wow, that was so yummy, but not enough. I'm gonna go make some more. And you friends, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Bye.